Objectives and scope of accounting. Well, after getting to know what is accounting, so as we all know that what is accounting? Accounting is commonly known as the language of business, right? Which is the means of communication. It communicates the reports and transactions of the business operations of any business entity. So let's talk about the objectives of accounting. So here are some main objectives of accounting which we are going to discuss. The first objective of accounting is to maintain a systematic record of business transactions. The second objective of business of accounting is to ascertain profit and loss. Next, its objective is to determine the financial position of any business organization or business entity. The fourth objective of accounting is to provide information to various users. The fifth objective of accounting is to assist the management. So the first objective is what? Let's talk about these objectives in detail. Let's elaborate these objectives. So the first objective we discussed about, the first objective we know is to maintain a systematic record of business transactions, right? So accounting is prepared to maintain a systematic record which are recorded in a chronological manner in a journal, and then they are posted to principal book. What are the principal books of accounting? That is ledger and trial balance. So the main purpose of or the objective of accounting is to record the financial transactions or monetary transaction in a book of accounts. So second objective is to ascertain profit and loss. Any business comes in the industry, comes in the business to make a profit. The purpose of any business entity is to earn profit. So every business entity is interested or curious to know what are the result of their operations, of their business operations, whether they have earned profit or incurred losses. They just want to know this. So for this purpose, in accounts, we prepare what? We prepare a profit and loss account. Through the with the help of the profit and loss account, profit and loss accounts help us to know what are the profit we have earned and what are the losses we have incurred. Next objective of any business entity is to determine the financial position of any business organization. Any business organizations want to know what is its financial position, what are the value or of their assets, and what are their liabilities. For this purpose, the accounting objective is to determine the financial position of any business entity. For this purpose, what is prepared? Balance sheet is prepared, right? The objective to determine the financial position of any business entity, or to know what are the values of its assets and what are the losses it has incurred. For that purpose, what are the liabilities? For that purpose, we prepare a balance sheet. With the help of the balance sheet, we come to know what is the financial position of any business entity, what is the value of the assets, and what are the cost of the liabilities. What are the liabilities? Objective of accounting is to provide information to various users. So another most important purpose or objective of accounting is to provide information to various users. There are so many users of financial statements. The examples of users are suppliers, distributors, creditors, lenders. These are what? Customers. These are the users of financial statements. Okay. For this purpose, this is the most important objective of accounting, and it provides information to various users, as we have mentioned, to the creditors, to the investors, to the distributors, to the dealers, to the customers. So with the help of the accounting helps the users by providing them the financial statements. The information provided by the accounts helps them in making the sound decision, making the strong, informed financial decision. Like the creditor can think of about lending the money to the business entity because because it can analyze that because he can analyze that the position of the financial position of the entity is very strong, so he can earn the money, he can earn the profit. Next purpose of financial accounting is to assist the management. With the help of the financial statements, whether that is profit and loss account or trading account or balance sheet or cash flow statement, with these financial statements, the business management, the management of the business entity make the sound decisions, make the informed decisions. There are so many tools like the reports, accounting as reports like the balance sheet, cash flow statement and profit and loss account. With the help of this, they interpret that whether how should they handle the business, what should be their next step, whether they should extend their business or not, or from whether they are earning profit or not, whether they are incurring any loss or they are earning profit. They can interpret so many information from with the help of these financial statements. So these are the objectives of financial statements.